Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. Now, yesterday what we have studied about the arithmetic progression means APs, whom we can say it is an AP, as well as we have find it out D. D means common difference between the consecutive terms of an AP. Now, today continuing with this topic, further we will understand how to find it out the next terms of a given AP. If 3-4 terms are given and we want to find it out another terms of the same AP, then what would be the method? Okay. First of all, we have to find it out D, so that we come to know what is our difference between the consecutive terms. 2 D's for the same AP, I find it out. What is the formula to find it out? D is A2 minus A1. So A2 is my 1 upon 2, A1 is 3 upon 2. So I get it, LCM is same denominator. So 1 minus 3 upon 2. Simplifying, I am getting minus 2 upon 2 is equal to minus 1. Now to find it out A5 means fifth term of a given AP, what we will do is we will add and difference with it. What is in the fourth term? So how we will do it? A5 is equal to A4 plus D. It means A4 is minus 3 upon 2 plus minus 1. And as denominator is not present, so we will write it minus 1. Now take out LCM. LCM is my 2. So this 2 is multiplied by 1 and 1 is multiplied by 2. What we are getting? Minus 3 plus minus minus. Do sign of minus. So 1 2s are 2. So minus 2 is there. Minus minus plus sign of minus. Minus 5 upon 2 is my answer. So A5 is minus 5 upon 2. Now, how and why we have added D only? So from this first 4 terms, what we have seen is the difference between the consecutive term is my D only. પહેલા નંબર અને બીજા નંબરની વચ્ચે કેટલા નંબરનો તફાવત છે? -1. Same way, between the second and the third term, how much difference is there? -1. એટલે બંનેની વચ્ચે -1 નો difference છે. Okay, so same way between the third and the fourth also -1 is there. Same way between the fourth and fifth also -1 would be there. So, if I added this -1 to the fourth term, naturally I will get a fifth term. After getting the fifth term, if I add it -1 to the fifth term, then I will get it sixth term. Same way, for the seventh term, I will add it -1 to the sixth term. Then I will get it my seventh term on simplifying. So, from this, we derived one formula how to get it the terms of an AP. This is my A, first term. This is my A plus B, second term. A plus 2D, third term. A plus 3D, fourth term, and likewise it will be. This is my first, second, third, fourth term. Likewise it will go on. If you know the difference, then multiply with the difference for the consecutive terms and you will get it answer. So second sum, we will find it out the rest of the terms of an AP by this formula only. Now we will solve second sum. First of all, we will find it out b. As usual method, a2 minus a1 is equal to 3 plus root 2 minus 3. So 3 would be subtracted and root 2 remain. Same way, another d also, let's see it's giving us same or not. a3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2 is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, open the bracket, plus minus minus 3, minus plus minus root 2. Now solve it. 3 would be cancelled as they are of same term with opposite side. Now this is 2 root 2. So we can take it 2x and x. 1x. So subtract 2x minus 1x would be 1x and sign of greater number. So I am getting 1x means this root 2 is my d. Okay. So d is same at both the places. So using that formula, we will find it out the a plus b, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d and likewise. Now which term, first, second, third term are given. So next 3 term is a4. How we will get it a4? a4 means a plus 3d. One, the term which we have to find out, d is 1 less than 8. A will become my first term means 3 and d is my root 2. Put it a and d values in the given format. A is my 3 plus 3 and what is my d? D is my root 2, put it here. So what I got it? A4 is equal to 3 plus 3 root 2. Instead of going with that long method, we can easily get it by this formula. Second is a5. a5 is equal to a plus 4d. A means 3. 4 multiplied by d. D is my root 2. So this is my a5. So how easily you got it? Same way we have to find it out a6. 3 terms are given, required. So we have to find it out a6. a6 is equal to a plus 5d. A is 3, 5 into root 2. So that is my a6. Terms of an AB you got. Continuing further, here is the next format of the question. For given A and D, find first 4 terms. Okay, so we want to construct an AP. If A and D is given to us. So, now what we have studied, that formula would be applicable here. First term would be for any AP, how you can construct an AP? A plus D, a plus 2d, a plus 3d and likewise. This is my first term, second term, third term, fourth term. Likewise it will go. So putting in this format, we will get it first, second, third and fourth term of AP. So we will do it now, start doing it. First one, what is A? Is equal to minus 1.25 and D is equal to minus 0.25. Now A1 would be A1 is equal to minus 1.25. A2 is equal to minus 1.25 plus D means minus 0.25. Plus minus minus, minus 1.25 minus 0.25. Minus minus plus and sign of minus. So what we are getting it? 0.15.1. So minus A2 is our minus A1 is this one. Next would be our A3 and A4. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. A is minus 1.25 plus 2 into D is my minus 0.25. Minus 1.25 plus multiply it with, so plus minus minus, multiply by 2. So it will give me 0.50. Minus minus plus, so it will give me minus 1.75. This is my A3. Next is A4 is equal to A plus 3D minus 1.25 plus 3 into minus 0.25 is equal to minus 1.25 plus minus minus multiply by 3. So you are getting 0.75. 25 threes are minus minus plus. What you are getting? 0. 1 carried over 0. 1. So minus 2. So A4 is your minus 2. So we can write an AB as here minus 1.25 minus 1.5 0 minus 1.75 minus 2.00. Okay, as they asked for first 4 terms. We will solve it for the second question where A is equal to minus 1 and B is equal to 1 upon 2. Same format. A1 is equal to our minus 1. A2 is equal to A plus D means minus 1 plus 1 upon 2. Here once again LCM we have to take it out. So this is multiplied by 2 and that 2 is multiplied by 1. So minus 2 plus 1 upon 2. This will give me minus 1 upon 2 is my A2. So A2 is this, A1 is 1 upon A3 would be my A plus 2D. A is minus 1 plus 2 into 1 upon 2. So 2 is cancelled. So minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So A3 is our 0. Next A4. A plus 3D. A is minus 1 plus 3 into 1 upon 2. So here you have to take it out LCM because 3 and 2 are not cancelled. So minus 1 upon 1 plus 3 upon 2. This term is multiplied by 2 and 2 is multiplied by 1. So what you are getting it? Minus 2 plus 3 upon 2. Minus plus minus do sign of greater. Greater number is positive. So 1 upon 2 we are getting. So A4 is our 1 upon 2. So our AP would be equal to minus 1 upon 2, 0, 1 upon 2 and so on if it is asked. So dear students, I think about an AP it is clear to you all. Thank you students for watching the video.